Guys, before we start the video today, I'd like to show you guys what's going on with the merch. So first of all, you can click the link in the description below to go to the website. We've got the white shirts like this, we've got an ash gray one, and we have a black one. So these are what the black shirts look like. It's the front and then the back. And then obviously I'm wearing the white. So if you'd like to get in on these awesome Subaru shirts, click the link below and go and order yours today. That being said, let's get into the video. So today we have something pretty cool planned for you guys. I guess it's probably cooler for me than it is for you, but this is something that I've been wanting to do pretty much ever since I got the G. So if you guys have been keeping up with the G, you know that I've got the OEM tails on there. I had some aftermarket like blacked out tinted tails. I didn't like them, but I bought those on the car, so I put the OEM ones back on. And right here we have some clear OEMs, and I bought these off of Arliss, and we're gonna put them on the G. Except we have one small problem with the G. Technically, I can't open the trunk. This is apparently a problem with the early model G35s, and I haven't had this problem until literally like right before I wanted to shoot this video. And hopefully the Villa Spec shirt doesn't get too dirty in the process. Ooh, it's getting spooky in here. It is probably like 90 degrees outside, so maybe I should take off the white Villa Spec shirt. Look at the two of them. I still gotta wrap the top of this and the spoiler. I just need to sand this clear down off the spoiler and then I'll do that. Okay, so basically what I was saying before is I can't open the trunk, the button doesn't work. It's usually like a common problem where the wires, because the trunks are like electronically controlled, the wires like break. Fun fact, I actually found this water in here and it's still cold. I don't know why. If you ever can't get into the trunk, like if you have the same issue, you go in this little crack, pull out this rev tab, and you'll be able to pull the seats down. So we're in. Dude, my hair's so long. I look like I haven't slept in days. The good news is I think I can actually pull the sub out through here. Oh, look at that. 19. Oh my God. I think I actually got it. Not gonna lie, that was like way easier than I thought it was about to be. See if it's open. Let's go. We had a bunch of stuff back here I should probably take out. Promise I'm not a slob, we moved and then I threw a bunch of stuff back here and then it wouldn't open. But you can see, I don't think any of this is factory. I think this is like aftermarket, like sound deadening. So that's another reason that I didn't take the spoiler off. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're going to attempt to take all this out. I did not grab my toolbox when I moved, so hopefully I have everything I need in my truck. I like how that bulb just fell out. So we're just gonna swap everything over from this harness over to mine. All right, so now I just gotta put the taillights in. Oh my God. That actually looks so good, dude. Now I really don't even like the OEM ones. I mean, I like them, but the clear on this blue just looks so good, dude. Now I'm actually gonna close this, which means I'm gonna have to climb back through, but I guess it's fine. Oh my God, dude. It actually looks so naked. That looks so killer, dude. Next I need clears on this. This car is gonna be really expensive for what I wanna do with it. But this car is just supposed to be a simple, somewhat clean daily. I mean, obviously it's got its flaws. That's the side-by-side comparison. Before with the OEMs and after with the clears. Yeah, I know, I gotta get a horn button still. Dude. It looks so good. Too bad it's like really dirty. Dude. I have no idea why I wore jeans, but I'm sweating so bad. I don't know why it's 92 degrees outside when it was just like 75 last week. That Mississippi weather, bro, it's like so bipolar. Look at him. I mean, just look at him. I mean, this one's got a big crack right here. This thing's clapped, I ain't even gonna lie to you. But they look pretty cool, I guess. Here's Lucy. Spoiled rotten. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, a comment, and please subscribe. Even share the video with your friends if you liked it. Of course, don't forget about the link below to go and check out the Villa Spec merch. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys. If you enjoyed the video, keep an eye out for more G35 content. Hopefully some Subaru content coming soon. Again, my name is Gavin. Thanks for watching this video, and have a blessed day. What? Whoa. Bro's kind of sus.